Hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing about Rajya Sabha, how relevant it is and what is its composition and all. Sorry guys, from last 2 days I have got cough and cold and fever. So some disturbance will happen. So please forgive me and let's start the video. Rajya Sabha, it known as Federal and Second Chamber of the Parliament, which comes from Montego Chelmsford Report and Government of India Act 1990, is also known as Council of States. Rajya Sabha ensures healthy bicameralism by providing some kind of accountability to lawmaking process undertaken in the Lok Sabha. The role and importance of the Rajya Sabha lie not only in the consideration of representation but also in the quality of deliberation. This gives federal nature of the Indian polity. Rajya Sabha acts as a conduit between the states, pupils, and parliament, furthering the principles of decentralization by lending an independent voice to the state. It also empowers its members to voice resistance, dissent, or any disagreement, even if the Lok Sabha dominates as the primary stakeholder in the lawmaking process. However, on the matters of money bills, Rajya Sabha cannot discuss. A no confidence motion too cannot introduce in a council of state. I'm sorry. In addition, it exercises a limited role in the functioning of public public accounts committee and has no part in the estimates committee. Rajya Sabha exercises the ability to create new all India services under Article 312 by passing a resolution subject to support and voting by two-thirds of members. Rajya Sabha exercises power to make law on any state subject included in the state list toward national importance under Article 249. Through its voice of intellectual reasoning, the Rajya Sabha discusses the ethos and moral underlying any topic and review and influence public policy through a multidimensional lenses. Finally, the most crucial role of the Rajya Sabha in the continuity it provides to the Indian Parliament democracy. So let's see. Rajya Sabha, it's also known as Council of State. Composition of Rajya Sabha where that is maximum 250 MPs, state concluded to 29 and UTs 9. Nominated members are 12, but current size is 245. State 229, UTs 4 and nominated by 12. And Rajya Sabha MPs nominated by President. UTs, three from Delhi and one from Puducherry. Its members indirectly elected. It is a permanent body. Qualification of MPs 3 years of age. Its term 6 years and one third member retires at expiration of every second year. Presiding officers, chairman and deputy chairman. Its Rajya Sabha chairman also a vice president of India. Thanks for watching. If you are new in this channel, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks. Thank you.